I keep hearing that you fully activated your bloodline, royal bloodline. You're most definitively connected to Yeshua, Mary Magdalene, and you have ancestors around that are not playing about you. You carry within your DNA some very secret information, and I am here on this planet to help you reveal to yourself who you truly are. I am here to activate remembrance within your system for you to get your inheritance back, your abundance back, your love back, your power back, your creativity back, everything that has been stolen from you without your consent, without your permission. So if you want to receive, please close your eyes. We're going to dig into your Akashic record. I'm going to call upon Sekhmet. I'm going to connect to Isis, Mary Magdalene. Close your eyes, lay down, make sure no one is going to disturb your peace. And we're going to call your gift, your talents, your abilities, activating your dormant DNA. It is your abundance, it is not theirs. And I am not, he was 144, I am not playing about it, and therefore your ancestors, your guardian angels, angels, archangel working with you as a master of the highest light, dragons, stellar races from the highest light, they're not playing. It is very important time of the year where you need to receive what is yours. Connecting in a deeper scale to your energy. It's going to be big. I'm hearing for some of you that are not very familiar with this kind of healing. I am a shaman, a starseed, a mental health counselor. I activate your DNA through downloads, codes, and activations. So you're going to drink plenty of water and rest after that, please. Archangel Michael, please assist me right now. I am calling your power back from any timeline, space, dimension, realities, person, situation, and entities to you now. Calling upon your soul fragment that has been stolen. Each time you haven't used your energy correctly, each time you haven't said no when you wanted to, or as a child, when they use your power to manifest at your place, they just stolen your sacred energy, your sexual energy. Back to you, back to you, back to you. Archangel Michael. Ataya koromaya zereya kanataraya kototomaya yes. You're going to be feeling it in your sacral chakra. Back to you, back to your system, back to you, back to your system, back to you, back to your system. Back to you, back to your system. Connecting to the Sphinx. Take a deep breath in, please. Garayana no wetiri shumanaya. Receive your soul fragment. Receive your inheritance. Receive what belongs to you. Take your power back. Igeraya modaraya somaya zianaya yuamaya reya sumaya. Wayanaya nea kutraya senaya otoya ma. Igara wakatare imasareya susukumaraya tereya susuma atra. Agaraya naraya sarwaterekia sanaraya tutukumaraya tereya siria naraya watere siria tra imikra. Back to you, back to your system, back to you, back to your system, back to you, back to your system. Igere imasiwata. Igara makatre yoso. Watereyasu, 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 anaya, Ramaya say yoko wanaya wanaya. A lot of you, they've been manifesting with your sacral chakra, your power, your life force energy. That's why you might feel exhausting at this time. Bringing back everything that belongs to you. Calling upon the Mahatkiri, you know, to bury in the Asa. Ukunu tutu trukba ase and Ruatukuba Ryan and Ayatesa. Umbara. Igara. Anchoring this new fragment. This is your true authentic self. This is your true authentic you. Fully activating, charging every cell. Are surrounding you with the violet flame to make sure the energy is pure. Bakaria tuku tu matareya tria so what you're doing amazing. Grounding the new self. Grounding the new self. Mutu maya sereya su dayanaya saya sa ma se I atara ukuma asara I atatakura uma atara eka sandara ea kotorukua asara imia se ya sio trua asara ya sahmia tara io komumu tata iara ia nanana irta. Someone out there is going to be able to activate their light language through my light language. This is how it works. We're so activating each other. Garayasa as starseed light worker. You're doing absolutely amazing. Durewasa, you're so brave. If you want to dig deeper, you should check my website. I offer powerful masterclass for you to take all of your power back. Get every soul fragment that has been stolen from you without your consent and your permission, for you to align with your true authentic self and jump in the next timeline, the highest timeline. This is everything I wish for you. They do not have the right. Therefore, you're here to claim and take what's yours. It was 99 on the screen. You're ready to close the chapter and start fresh, the new you, the real you. Rest well, and until next time, namaste.